On the Friday of March 6, 2026, a heavy downpour hit the Kenyan capital Nairobi city, leading to widespread flooding, stranding thousands of city residents in the CBD and on various impassable roads, as raging waters blocked ways, swept away vehicles and caused immense property damage and losses. And these were the scenes in the early evening and night of that March 6th. The downpour began at around 4 p.m. East African time, and the rain continued intensely for more than 5 hours, lasting well past 9 p.m., with some accounts describing overnight showers that exacerbated the situation into the early hours of March 7th. The most affected areas included informal settlements and low-lying neighborhoods such as Kibra, Mukuru, Mathare, Huruma, Dogo, Bosnia, Pipeline in Embakasi, South B, South C, Nairobi West, Langata, Umoja 3, Chokaa, Njiru, Ruai, Utawala, Roysambu, Kahawa West, Githuraii, Loresho, parts of Westlands and Eastleigh. Major roads and junctions were also severely impacted, including Uhuru Highway, Embakasi Way, Mombasa Road from South C to JKIA exit and Kumbi Junction, Thika Superhighway around Githuraii and Kahawa Sakari, Dogo Road, Lunga Lunga Road, Limuru Road, Enterprise Road, Langata Road near T Mall, Riverside, Kawangware, Kamkunji, Kabete, and sections of the CBD with feeder roads like Museum Hill and Uhuru Park. In some cases, schools like Ainsworth Primary in Eastleigh had to suspend learning due to knee-deep water, and some houses were filled with dirty flood water, same as some of the vehicles that got stuck on the road.
See how people are being rescued. Ona huko hivyo.
Beyond the sheer volume of rain, contributing factors to the intense flooding included decades of poor urban planning, unchecked development by greedy builders that encroach on waterways and riparian zones, indiscriminate waste dumping that clogs drains, and broader climate change trends that have been leading to more intense and unpredictable downpours.
Oh, mambo.
No wako ile kwanza. Salimia Maina hapo. Maina umesalimiwa na Njiru. Maina ni nani? Maina no. Maina yake hivyo ni Njiru.
Njiru mwenye.
Niko tayari huo. Tap the screen guys, send roses. Sijui masinda mbroka aje jameni, anasinya.
The Kenya Meteorological Department had issued warnings for heavy rains persisting until at least March 9th, which amplified the risk in areas with already saturated soil and inadequate infrastructure.
Maji imekuwa mingi. Naona Nairobi. Lake Nairobi wapi?
This event underscores significant deficiencies in Nairobi's drainage system, which is frequently overwhelmed during heavy rains due to clogging from debris, insufficient capacity in low-lying and urban areas, and the lack of comprehensive stormwater management. Residents, schools and experts have repeatedly called for urgent unclogging, upgrades, and better maintenance to address this recurring problem, as similar floods have plagued the city in past years without substantial improvements.
Literally, this is the current state of the road. Yep. Entire Uhuru Highway is flooded. And we are stuck because they've closed off the exit of the Museum Hill Expressway. So we are not moving. We've not been moving for like an hour 30 minutes. And this is the reason why, as you can see.
Luckily, as of March 7, 2026, no casualties or deaths have been reported specifically from this flooding incident in Nairobi, though Kenya Red Cross teams conducted search and rescue operations in affected areas, and broader national flood-related deaths since mid-March from ongoing rains have reached at least 32 across half of Kenya.